Hi, I'm Ron Avery. I'm the Senior Team Leader for Biodiversity Information Systems within the department. So BioNet is the source of biodiversity information for the state of New South Wales. It contains a range of biodiversity data collections, including species sightings, vegetation survey, fauna survey, and a range of derived products, including vegetation classification and state vegetation type maps. Raw biodiversity data is used in a number of ways. It can be used to inform threatened species distribution modelling that gives us a sense of where species are likely to occur in the landscape. More sophisticated systematic survey data is used to inform the development of vegetation classifications, and a range of information is also used then to construct derived products like vegetation maps. The major pain point for the user is the need to capture data and convert that into a format that can be uploaded into BioNet. Very time-consuming process. The current process involves manual intervention by the data managers, which adds time to the process. A major body of work is underway at the moment to develop a biodiversity data capture solution. That's a significant piece of work that will allow data to be captured digitally in the field, so that's vegetation survey and species observation data, and delivered seamlessly into the BioNet system. So it'll be a modification of the existing authentication process and login system to allow data to be supplied without any intervention from the BioNet team or hub system. Getting more data into BioNet allows us to develop a more complete picture of where biodiversity is located and how it's changing over time. That data provides a more robust information base upon which to make informed decisions. Better data, better decisions.